This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so coming to the homework that I gave you last week, let's discuss about those and then proceed. So the first thing about the homework is that the second question that I gave you, what is the size, right, of file that you can upload, right? Most of you came up with 25 MB and 2 GB, which is correct. At the developer edition at this moment, you have 20 MB of file space, 5 MB of data storage space. Total equals to 25. However, this can be increased to 60, 70. That means even though if you have 25 MB, you can see that you can upload a 30 MB file. System allows. Up to 60 MB it will allow. Next, name one file format that cannot be uploaded. Answer is all file format can be uploaded. Salesforce doesn't have any exception. Neither HTML, nothing. All file get uploaded. Next, can I connect one contact to multiple account? We have seen one account, multiple contact. Government of India, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah. One account, multiple contact. Can I have vice versa? One contact, multiple account. By default, no. At this moment, out of Salesforce box, if you want to create, you cannot create it. We have to do customization. Is it possible? Yes, after customization. Out of box? No. After account setting customization, yes, we can connect one contact to multiple accounts. One contact to multiple accounts. One contact to multiple accounts. Right? We can do that. Clear? Any questions? Till here on the homework? Right?
So I have one doubt.
Go ahead.
An account can have multiple contacts, but a contact can have only one account. If you want a contact to have multiple accounts, then you should do it only through customization. Am I right,
Correct.
sir?
Yes, you
Okay.
are correct.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Any other questions? Okay. No. Now let's, do you want to see where it is done? Let's do that first. Let's go ahead and, right, we will do this starting with first where the customization is done. So I'm logging Rupam @of101.com, password CRM 1234 hash. Let's see how can I activate one contact to multiple account. Currently, one contact, one account. At this moment, out of box, one contact, one account. Let's go ahead and see. Right? I don't want to confuse you guys. Right? That is the reason that I'm keeping it for the, I thought that I'll show you not now, but anyhow, let's see. If you get confused, then ignore it. Okay. First, let us see. When I go to the sales module, I click on contact. Every contact can be connected only to one account. For example, I open Amitabh Bachchan. I go to the details. I click on details. You see account name. Account name, I cannot use a shift keyboard, right? Shift on the keyboard, and I cannot select multiple with a control or a shift. No, you can select only one here. You don't have an option to select multiple. That means one account, one contact, only one account. 1:1 ratio we have. I click on save. 1:1 ratio. How to enable it? Click on setup, the third icon from the top right side. Click on setup. Click on again setup. Right? Whatever the changes that you perform here is administrator changes. Right? Administrator changes. Clear? Now, expand feature settings. Expand sales. Click on account setting, feature setting, sales, account setting. Click on edit. Scroll down and you see that contact to multiple account setting. Allow user to relate a contact to multiple account. Allow user, right? So verify mass transfer is giving a warning. So I checked it. It was unchecked earlier. Now I'm checking it. And I click on, you can say enable news, enable logo. What is that news? Going forward, I will start getting news about ICICI Bank in my Salesforce. From the web, it will try to pull the news, right? Enable automated account fields. See, account name. As soon as you type KF, immediately it will say KFC. All the US related companies will be auto-populated. Account logo. As soon as you KFC, immediately the KFC logo will populate there. So account related. Show the view hierarchy on the account page. If you uncheck it, the hierarchy button will be removed. How to remove an hierarchy button from an account page from here? These are some checkboxes. Enable news. Yes. Question? Anybody has any questions? I see that there is a mic getting unmuted. Vijaya, can you please mute your mic?
I'm sorry.
That's okay. Right? So you can see. Right? So here, how did I came here? Once again, I click on setup. Click on setup. Once again, I'm showing you. Second time. I'm in setup. This is the page after you log in, you come here, the landing page. Scroll down. It's a feature settings. It's a feature. What type of feature it is? It's a sales feature. It's a sales feature. In that, you have account setting. Account setting. Click on edit. Click on enable news if you need it. Auto populate, show me the logo. Our main purpose is not this 3 checkboxes. Our main purpose is this. Check it. Click save. Now what will happen is that, right? Multiple accounts can be related, right? If it doesn't come, then we have to do one more level of customization. One more level. This is just an activation. You performed an activation, not a customization. It was an activation. You just activated multiple contacts to a single account, right? You just activated one contact to multiple accounts. You just activated. Activation is done. Now I'm going to the other tab, right? I click on account. Let's see. I open an account called Amitabh Bachchan, right? I still don't have any option anywhere. Single account name. I don't have any other option available. The second level of customization, and that's where you'll be lost. That's where you will get a little confused. I thought to discuss later, but anyhow, we started. So let's see the second level of customization. If you are not able to understand, leave it then. Okay, I will repeat
Sir,
this again.
enable news means what it will do, sir?
It will show you the corresponding news from the web.
Oh, web. Okay.
Right,
Thanks.
all the news about ICICI Bank, about KFC, Government of India, all those news will be displayed, where you'll be able to see. By tomorrow, everything will get activated, and you'll start getting the news feeding. So tomorrow you will see the difference in the account automatically. Okay, now we enabled it. However, right, we enabled this checkbox. You can see that. However, I didn't have, because in the design that didn't got activated. Right, in the account design, this is the design. This whole, whatever you're able to see, this is a design, a layout. We call them as layout. In this layout, that particular feature is not embedded, or the particular feature is not activated, or the particular feature is not customized. How to do that? Second level of customization. First level is activation. Second level, right? Second level. Go to setup, which I'm already in. right? Click on objects and fields. Click on object manager. Click on object manager. Click on account. Scroll down, or the third option called as page layout. That's the design. There are 4 different types of designs available. We'll talk about it later. What is this design? Click on account layout. The designing page opens up. Scroll down, look for related list, right? Drag, right? Related, right? Drag, right? Related contacts already there. Yes, let's see. I'm scrolling down, right? Contacts, right? So related contacts. I'm just dragging it. Those who are not able to understand, wait, right? Click save. Similarly, you have to do the same task where in contact also. I click on again on the object manager here on the top, look for contact, open the contact, click on page layout, click on contact layout, scroll down, look for related list and related accounts. Drag here, wherever you want, drag. Oh, drag. Related account came in. Click on save. Yes, it's saving the page layout design. Now come back. Next time when you come to contact, your multiple contact linking to multiple account is done. I open Amitabh Bachchan. Under related, you see that related account, ICICI Bank. Add relationship with whom? To Ministry of Government of India. As what? You have an role as what? Amitabh Bachchan is connected to Government of India as what? As a buyer, decision maker, evaluator, influencer. I will say as influencer. Click save. See that? Oh, already I connect. See, now you see Government of India. One contact is connected to 2 accounts. ICICI Bank, Government of India. I say add relationship. Again, I'm connecting to Bollywood. As what? How to populate this list? We will see later. Currently, these are right all level of second level of customization you have to do, which we are not prepared yet. I will say other. I will click on save. You see that one contact connected to 3 accounts. However, whenever you go to the details, account name is ICICI Bank. Whenever you click on contact, it shows ICICI Bank. It doesn't show ICICI Bank, comma, Government of India, comma, Bollywood. No. Primary, Amitabh Bachchan is linked to ICICI Bank. Secondary, other than ICICI Bank, right? Amitabh Bachchan is also linked to Bollywood. Amitabh Bachchan is also linked to Government of India, right? See, we just activated what? One contact, multiple account. Earlier, this was not possible. Now you have it under the related, right? Under the related, you have it. If I go to Bollywood, will I be able to see? Let me go ahead. Let me open Bollywood. Will I able to see Amitabh Bachchan? Yes. Amitabh Bachchan is there in the Bollywood. If I go to Government of India, will I see Amitabh Bachchan? Yes. See, Amitabh Bachchan is linked to Government of India. Amitabh Bachchan is linked to Bollywood. Amitabh Bachchan is linked to ICICI Bank. So see, 2 places I dragged and dropped. Related contacts. See, earlier this was the one contact. In a contact, it's only showing 2. That's the reason I went to account, I dragged and dropped the related contact. I went to contact, I dragged and dropped the related account. Total 1 activation, 2 customization. 1 activation, 2 customization. That is the reason it's showing Amitabh Bachchan. If I don't drag this, now I can remove this. These are the direct contacts. That means, right, primary contacts. For this account called Government of India, right, Smriti Irani is a primary. This is a collection of primary and secondary. For Amitabh Bachchan, primary is ICICI Bank. See that? Primary it's showing as ICICI Bank. Secondary is Government of India. Secondary is Bollywood. Primary is ICICI Bank. For Smriti Irani, primary is Government of India. All primary will be showed in accounts. All related accounts will show primary plus secondary. Now I can remove this. This I can remove. This I can remove. Contact I can remove. Because both are showing same information. But one is showing only primary contact, another is showing primary plus secondary. Primary plus secondary. You can see that in that related one, related equals to primary plus secondary. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes.
If you have not, you can ignore it. Don't worry. I don't mind if you are not able to understand. When time comes, I will show you again. For now, because I gave you the homework, this is the customization we have to do. One activation, two customization is equal to a feature called as one contact, multiple account. Right? Any questions? Next time when I come to account tomorrow, right? When I open Government of India or ICICI Bank, you will be start seeing the news. Where I'll start seeing the news? Wait, it has not yet got activated. Here at the bottom, you can start seeing news coming up, right? So here it is news. You'll start seeing the news. See, wait, it'll come automatically. See, latest news started flowing in now. HDFC ICICI Bank doing among this something 3 hours ago. India Info Online. See, from Business Standard, different business magazine, Indian Express, ICICI Bank, right? Disinvest 6.44 million for ICICI Bank. See, every news of ICICI Bank from the net, wherever it is, from the Money Control website, right? From the Hindustan Business Line Limited, Deccan Chronicle, wherever it find any type of news, Business Standard, right? Topnews.in, businessstandard.com, 5 days back, right? So that it's pulling from here, moneycontrol.com from there, the Hindustan Times, right? From there it's pulling. Indian Express, right? So you can see that you need not to go to net. You want to know about this company, you can start reading from here, right? You want to know what's happening about this company, the Twitter, log in with your Twitter and you'll be able to see all the feed from the Twitter coming up in your Salesforce. Business, before I call this customer, right, I will study about the customer. I can say, hey, hi, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, how are you? Hey, I heard that ICICI Bank is doing some investment in National Mineral Development Corporation of India, NMDC, right? I heard that it's investing, 524 crore bond just 3 hours ago. Even he'll be surprised. From where you came to know? Hey, I just read it. See how you are updated. The end user sales team are professional. They are, they knows about their customer well. Similarly, when I open the Government of India, you will be able to see same news about Government of India. System start populating, right? See, right? All this related to the Government of India, it will start. Clear now? That's the news I was talking about. Okay, done with the homework. Any questions? Yes? Your silence will be treated as no, and I'll proceed forward. Once again, I'm calling it. Your silence will be treated as you don't have any doubts, and I'll proceed forward. Okay, now let's start today the Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud. Put a heading called as Sales Cloud. Put a heading called as Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud. What is a sales? Can somebody explain me what is a sale? Definition. Definition of a sale. Sales definition. You keep on hearing this
The
word
action,
today.
the action after the leads are generated.
Okay. Anything else? Okay. Write down. Right. Sales. Process of the process of exchange of a product or a goods. Process of exchange of a product, goods, or services. In return of a value. In return of a value or service is called sales. What is a sale? Exchange of a product. I give you the product, you give me the money. I give you the product, you give me the product. I give you the product, in return, I'll not give you money, I'll do service for you. I will do this work for you. These are called sales. Exchange of a product, service, in return of a value or a service. You give a value or you provide a service is called sales. Simple one-line definition. The process of exchanging of a product, goods, or services in return of value or services is called sales. Right? Next, Sales Cloud in Salesforce consists of number one, opportunity. Sales Cloud in Salesforce consists of number one, opportunity. Number two, product. Number three, price book. Number four, quotation. Number five, order. Number six, contract. Number seven, invoice. Total 7 elements are there in Salesforce. We have 7 elements in Salesforce. We have 7 elements in Salesforce. 7 elements. Clear? Opportunity, product, price book, quotation, order, contract, invoice. There are 7 elements in Sales Cloud. Now, write down the first element called as opportunity. We will see the opportunity. First element called as opportunity. Write down the definition. Any prospective deal is called opportunity. Any prospective deal is called opportunity. Right? Any prospective deal is called opportunity. Next, sales cycle. Next, sales cycle. Sales cycle. Write down. Stages followed during a sales process. Stages followed during a sales process is called sales cycle, also called as sales pipeline. Also called as sales pipeline. Also called as sales pipeline. Now let's understand. You get a call from ICICI Bank in a day-to-day life, right? Hello, sir, I'm calling from ICICI Bank. Are you interested in personal loan? No, thank you. Thank you, sir. Next number. Hello, I'm calling from ICICI Bank. Are you interested in personal loan? No. Put the phone down. Next call. Like this, the marketing team is calling one by one customer. They call 100 customer. Out of that, 99 says, sorry, not interested. Sorry, not interested. Right? Somebody will start scolding. Who gave you my number? This is a do not disturb number. Right? The lady cuts the phone. The girl cut the phone. ICICI Bank, call center agent, cuts the phone. One of the leads says, right, hey, hi, yes, what is the percentage are you offering? The call continues now, right? After 99 no, one person just said, how much percentage are you charging? Sir, may I know which company are you working? Based on the company, I can give you the percentage. I'm working for Infosys. Oh, for Infosys, we have a special offer. How much? We will give you a 13% rate, sir. Right? How much loan you are looking for? I'm looking for 5 lakh. May I know the purpose? I'm looking for a family vacation or a house renovation. Right? Definitely, sir. Right? May I know what is your salary, sir? So I take monthly 60-70,000. Wow. Okay, sir. You are eligible. Right? Sir, can I send my sales executive tomorrow who will explain you the complete process, documentation required? The customer agrees. The lead agrees, not the customer. The lead agrees. Yes. What time, sir? Tell him to come by afternoon, after the lunch, somewhere about 1 o'clock. Right? And may I know the address where my agent has to come, my executive has to come? Send it to my office directly. And this is my office. Call me before coming. Okay, thank you, sir. So tomorrow at 1 p.m., my sales executive will call you and he'll come and meet you personally and he'll explain you the complete process. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. I just created a lead. I just created a lead. I just created a lead. This customer called Ram Charan is interested. I go ahead and I convert it to an opportunity. As well as I'm creating, I will say Tolliard, right? Personal loan, PL, Ram Charan. Personal loan, RAM, Ram, CHARAN. Ram Charan. Everybody has did this. So convert. What happened now? We converted to an account called Tolliard. We created a customer called as contact called as Ram Charan, as well as an opportunity is created. Whom this opportunity has to be assigned? To the sales team. I'm a marketing team. It's not my work to go and meet the customer. My work is to call, keep on calling. Whichever customers are interested, I will convert them to what? To an opportunity. All the opportunities are coming one by one. So that Tollywood personal loan Ram Charan. An opportunity has been created. Who will attend this opportunity? Sales team. Now the sales process starts. Earlier, it was only requirement understanding. Yes, I confirm that the customer is genuine. There is a genuine requirement exist. We call the customer twice. Both the time he, looks like he's a genuine customer. Now, I want the sales team to go ahead and perform the sale. This sales, now let's assume that I'm a sales rep now. This has been assigned to me. This particular opportunity has been assigned to me. I went to the office morning. My boss tells me, hey, Rupam, today you have to meet Mr. Ram Charan at 1 o'clock. Okay, not a problem, sir. I will. Right now, there we go. The game start now. At 12 o'clock, I tell my boss, sir, I'm going to meet Ram Charan. I'll be back in under 2 to 3 hours. Right? My boss says, okay, go. I come out of the ICICI Bank. I take my phone. I just call, hey, be ready. I'm coming. Hostel దగ్గర వస్తున్నాను రెడీగా ఉండు. I'm coming to hostel. Be ready. Directly, I'll go to my girlfriend. I'll pick. We will have some lunch. Right? Then I'll drop her back to the hostel. I'll come to the bank somewhere at 4 o'clock. And I will tell her, actually, I called him. He is not picking up the phone. I waited for 2 hours, 3 hours. Right? Then, he told me to come tomorrow. Who knows the reality? Who can find whether I'm speaking truth or false? Tomorrow morning, again, I'll come to the office. I will tell my boss, sir, morning 9 o'clock itself, I have to meet 3 customers today. Right? I'm leaving. Immediately, I come out of the bank. I call my girlfriend. Veldama, shall we go to Gandipet today? My girlfriend is very excited, right? So I will take her to Gandipet, right? Have some good time there. Then somewhere lunch, then a movie. 5 o'clock I will return to my office, and I will say that this whole day was bad. By the way, I got a new customer. Who was that new customer? I was standing in front of the Infosys, and somebody approached me, Mr. Ravi Nayak, and I will put some phone number. Whose phone number is that? One of my friend's number. I will call my friend. I will say, hey, if my boss calls, just say that yes, I need a personal loan. Okay, don't say anything. Just say I need personal loan. That's it. I'll take care. I put the phone down. I know my boss will not call that number, but in case I'm little more intelligent, no. So I'm securing my life. Let's say that worst case, my boss gets doubt on me. He calls the number. Hello, right? Hey, did my executive met you, right, for a personal loan? Yeah. I'm interested in a personal loan. Okay, sir. Thank you. Right? He will not do much investigation. But even if he does, I will tell my friend that yes, he met me yesterday. I was looking for a personal loan. I will let you know. I'll let you or let him know about my decision. So that means I genuinely went to my customer. Who knows whether he's my friend or what? Now, like this, what I did every day, I'm coming to the office playing the game. Can anybody catch me? Is the question. Can anybody catch me? Serial number, right? Deal name, opportunity name, amount. After the week end, I have a meeting with my boss. Let's say that I go to the meeting with this sheet. Ramcharan personal loan, RAM, Ram CHARM, Ramcharan personal loan. How much? Let's say that he's looking for 5 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, Ravi Nayak. Ravi Nayak personal loan. How much is looking? 7,50,000. Next, right? SWA THI Swati personal loan. Right? Let's say that how much he's looking? 3,50,000. Next, one more name I'll add. Whose name I'll add? Let me see. Abhinaya. AB, right? AB HINAYA. Abhinaya. Abhinaya Infosys. INFO or TCS. Abhinaya TCS. How much she's looking for? She's looking for 6 lakh rupees personal loan. How much is the reality? Nobody knows. Like this, AA, BB, CC, DD. Right? I'm entering some random number. Right? 4 lakhs. Let's say that. I'm entering, 7 lakh 40,000. I'm entering 2 lakhs. Some random numbers I'm entering, right? Out of the fewer genuine, fewer fake. Nobody knows which one is genuine, which one is fake, right? 4 lakh 75, 1, 2, 3. Now, let me go ahead. Total, how much? Sum of. Wow. What is that? Oh, too many zeros. Okay. Total 40 lakh 50,000. My target given to me was 25 lakh a month. Now tell me, if you are my boss, if I come and meet you in my personal one-on-one and I bring this printout and I show you that these are the deals I am working for the last 1 week, are you happy? Yes or no? Guys, it is a right chance. You're my
Yeah.
boss. You can tell me anything now. You can scold
Yes.
me also. Those who have angry, something, this is the right time. Give it. You'll not get this lucky chance again. You're my boss. I cannot tell you anything. Tell me. Hey,
Yes.
somebody is calling me again and again. I don't know who's this. Just give me a sec here. Guys, give me one more minute. I'm just calling my wife for a second. So meantime, I'm listening to you. So go ahead, tell me. People says nice work. Wish I should have a manager like Vishwajit. Anyone else appreciating my work? My target is 25 lakh and I'm on 40. Anybody else appreciating my work? Anybody else? Okay, fine then. Right now, if I'm your manager, shall we flip the coin now? Right? Ready? If let's assume that I'm your manager. Everybody can hear me? Is it okay? Right? Everyone can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Now, if
Yes.
I'm your manager, what I will do? I will bamboofy you. I will rip you apart. I will say, what is this? What are you doing for last 1 week, 2 weeks? This is what you bring to me? This shit? This is what we are paying for you? Morning you're going, evening you're coming back. What is this? Only 40 lakhs? You will be stunned to hear that. What is the Sunky manager? I'm in 40 lakhs. This is a 2 weeks report. Still half of my month is left. I'm in the half of the month. 25 lakh is my right, is my target, and I'm in 40, but still this manager is not happy. Saddest person, right? People will think that I'm a sadist, but no, I'm not. Did you got this amount? No. Where these amounts are? These amounts are in the air. Did it all this got approved? No. So hence I'm realistic. This is not closed. They are still in the air. So how can I catch? I will have something called as stages. I will define a stage. Initial discussion. Initial discussion. Initial discussion. Whenever your initial discussion, it's only 10% work is done. Right? Document collection. Sorry, this guy is killing me. Hey guys, give me 1 second.
This conference will now be recorded.
Now, initial discussion, 10%. Document collection. Document collection, 20% work is done. Next, document verification. After the document is verified, I will say 40% work is done. Loan approval. Loan approval. How much? 60% work is done. Next, right? I will say loan release. Release. I will say 80% of work is done. Right? One customer accepted. Accepted. How much? I will say 100% work is done. So that for my loan department, I'm describing some stages. Closed, lost, 0% work is done. Now, shall we put the stage? Tell me, where are you with Ramcharan? Sir, we collected the document, 20%. For Ravi Nayak, where are you? Sir, actually, I already collected, it's in discussion status. Because Ravi Nayak is a fake. Swati might be original. It's in a loan approval stage. Abhinaya might be original, 80%. Sir, loan release. Or let's say that 100%. Abhinaya accepted the loan. Next, which stage are you? Sir, document verification. Right? This is also document verification. This is discussion. This one, document collection. Numbers you can pick it from here. Now you see the pipeline, PIP, LIN, pipeline. Out of 5 lakh, how much work is done? Only 20% work is done. Into this. Now I put it here. And then I sum. See now the figure. Why I was scolding you. As of today, your work status stands on 15,56,000 only. You are far the target. Your monthly target is 25 lakh, already 2 weeks over. You have just 2 more weeks to go. Can you go ahead and reach this target? No, you cannot. That is the reason I was ripping you apart. I was not looking on this field. I was not looking on the amount. I was looking on this 100% perfect. This one is green. This one is green. This one is counted. Remaining all, nobody knows. Sir, this is at loan release. Let's say that this is at 80%. Right? Let's say that. Right? Let's say that Mr. Person name is Satya. Satya is looking for a loan of 7,40,000. He gave the document. Document collection is over. Verification is over. Right? Okay. Now let's. Right. So Satya has opted a loan for 7,40,000. Right? He has opted a loan for 7,40,000. What has happened? He submitted the document. Approval is over. The loan is also released. Right? The agent called the customer. Hey, Satya, congratulations. Your loan got approved. Right? Tomorrow I'm coming with a check. Satya goes home, tells his wife, hey, loan got approved. Immediately Satya's wife start scolding. Why loan? My father gave you money, no? Why again are you taking loan? Whatever you want, my father gave you, no? Satya says, okay. Now he calls the bank and he says, hey, actually, sorry, I don't want the loan. Sir, your check is ready. You told me that you will give me the check in 10 days, but it's almost 1 month now. What should I do with the money now? You should have given me 10 days back, right? My requirement is over. I don't need. See that? From 80%, the deal went to zero. From 80%, the deal went to where? 0%. Able to understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? The importance of pipeline management. Importance of pipeline management. Importance of pipeline management. It went to zero, lost. It came to 80%, near to winning. At the time of winning, it lost. That is the reason I am so much angry on you. 25 lakh is the target. As of today, you're on 12,60,000. Now, you come out of the room with your face down. Your seniors says, Arey, man, you are grown up. Still, you don't have the mark. You don't have a brain. Do one thing. No, right? Next meeting, you think he's seeing this number. Go and add some fake numbers. Make it 10 lakh. Make it 10 lakh. So that suddenly the number became 31. Suddenly the number, I made 10 lakh 1 crore. Somebody gave me this idea, a foolish idea, right? Don't put in one deal, put in couple of deal. Make this 40 to 70 lakhs or 4 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Change this 7 lakhs, 2 lakhs to, right, 15 lakhs. Increase the pipeline, right? Increase it like this. See, your numbers are increasing. Add more, your number will increase. Yes, the idea worked. Next week we go, right? Your idea worked. Let's say that. But your idea will not work for the 1 week it worked. Because now let's understand. Illustration. I'm giving you the base, right? Let's understand. Let's understand. What is this happening? You as an administrator, you as a developer, tomorrow will be creating dashboards, reports. You'll be creating dashboard. How the sales dashboard will look, right? If somebody has inflated it, there'll be huge spike. How many days will you keep it in status 10? Next week, you have to say document collection. Third week, if you say document collection, you have to say how many days the document, did you submit the document? You know that this is a fake. Actually, sir, I'm still waiting for more documents. How many days will you say that I'm collecting the documents? One or other day, you have to say, no, sir, he's not interested. You have to take to 0. Because the next stage is document verification. Whenever such thing happens, what will happen? Your graph will fall drastically. Your graph will fall like this. The opportunity which I entered fake in my system 2 weeks back, after 2 weeks, I have to close them. Then I will enter new set of fake opportunities. Fake. Again, the graph will increase like this. Again, next week, after 2 weeks of the meeting, I will. So you can see that this falls, increase and falls, increase and fall, right? Increasing, falling. Whenever you have a sawtooth graph like this, sawtooth, right? Sawtooth graph like this, steep increase, steep fall. By this, your manager will understand that you're playing with the system. If it's a genuine deal, if somebody is entering a genuine data in the system, how the graph will look? How the graph will look? The graph will look like this. Slant. Slant. If the fall happens, the fall will be not drastic. It will not be steep fall. It will be slant slope like this. Fall will be slant. Not very deep. Slant. Slant slope graph. The increase also will be not steep like this. No, it will be slant increase. Slowly it will increase. Slowly there can be fall. This is the real. People are working. See the difference between the two graphs. By looking at the data of the graph, I can understand that sales team is playing. Able to understand what is a pipeline? Stages during a sales process is called sales pipeline. Every stage you will assign a value. You will give a value to the stage. Every stage you will give a value. Every stage you will give a value. These values will determine what is your pipeline. My total revenue might be 66,40,000, but actual revenue as of today is 16,65,000 only. Because I'm multiplying with the pipeline with this percentage. Right? Now, this is what I'm discussing. Sales pipeline management. It's a concept. Complete concept. It's a complete concept. You have to draw this graph when I come to the wave analytics. Like this type of charts you have to draw. This type of charts you have to draw. That is the reason I'm explaining you all these things. You might be thinking, why Rupam is telling all this story? GMAIL. Because morning 8:30 batch is performing the same thing now. Morning 8:30 batch is doing the same thing now. Morning 8:30 batch is doing the same thing now. Right? This is what the homework that I gave them. See, they are doing the graphs. Can you see? In the Salesforce. This is the homework that I gave. Homework for today's Salesforce 31st August. See how they're preparing the graph. Right? How they're preparing the graph. Right? Homework image. See. Oh, this is somebody else. Right? So you have to do this, guys. That is the reason I'm telling you this whole story behind this graph. When I start creating a graph with a pipeline management, you shouldn't get surprised what is a pipeline management. What is a pipeline management? Pipeline is nothing but stages followed during a sales process is called sales pipeline. Sales pipeline. The sales pipeline changes from business to business. Business to business, this pipeline changes. From one business to other business, it change. From one business to other business, it change. Suppose it's a vehicle loan. If it's a housing loan, then here one more stage will come before the loan approval. What is that? Site verification. Bank will go and check whether this is done or not. It will say 60%. Then it will say 80% and this will be 90%. See, business changes, stage change. For personal loan, I don't need site verification. For a personal loan, I don't need site verification, right? So site verification, yes, done. 60% of your work is done. Depending on a business, I'm talking about loan. If the industry is banking and loan, then this is the sales pipe. If the industry is healthcare and pharmaceutical, they will have a different stage. If the industry is petroleum, right? Petroleum industry, they will have a different stage, right? Every industry, the stage will differ. I gave you an example with a banking industry in a loan project. Now, what is the by default available? Let's go ahead. By default, whenever I open this opportunity, right? Whenever I open this opportunity, right? You see that the stages: prospecting, qualification, need analysis, value proposition, right? Write down, right? Write down, right? Default sales stages or default sales pipeline in Salesforce. Number one, prospecting 10%. Prospecting 10%. Next, qualification 10%. First one, prospecting 10%. Qualification 10%. Next, need analysis 20%. Need analysis 20%. Next, value proposition 50%. Value proposition 50%. Next stage, value proposition 50%. Next, identifying decision makers 60%. Identifying decision makers 60%. Write down. Next, identifying decision makers 60%. Next, perception analysis 70%. Perception analysis 70%. Next, proposal price quote. Proposal price quote. Proposal price quote 75%. Proposal price quote 75%. Next, negotiation review. Negotiation review. Negotiation review 90%. Next, closed won 100%. Close lost 0%. Right? These are the default sales pipeline available. Now you see that I entered them out. This deal is 3,40,000 worth. Which stage are you in? I am in need analysis stage. I click on save. What is the expectancy? Amount is 3,40,000. Expected revenue is, so that how much it's showing? Did I put number of zeros more? 3,40,000. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Save. 3,40,000. What is the expected revenue? 20% of it, 68,000. Where the system is tracking, scroll down, here it's tracking. First 0. Then you put 34 lakh, 20%. Then you change to 3,40,000, 20% you're saying. And the revenue is this. Next, you come and you change the stage from need analysis to, let's say that I change to identify decision makers. I click on save. Directly 60% jump. What is the expected revenue? 2,04,000. All these are being tracked here, right? From 20%, you jumped to 60%. From 20%, you jump to what? 60%. Next, from there, right? See that? Somebody told me to fake the pipeline. Then I will say lost. Save. 0%. As soon as I click on save, see, it went to 0. Revenue 0. If I plot a graph from 2,04,000, directly the line will fall to 0. If I plot a graph, it will go to 2 lakh and directly this is fall to 0 here. This is the way the graph will go. Right. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Everyone.
Sir.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
And currently, let's say that, let's assume, let's once again, I'm going back to the same example. After the site verification, can you go to document collection? Realistically, no. How can, after document verification, only site verification started? After site verification, how can you go back and say that I'm still collecting the document? That means going back is not possible. You cannot go. It's only move forward. No going back. Before I move forward, I have to have some check boxes. I will check something, check this, check that, check boxes. I will do some check boxes. I will do some check boxes. I will do some check boxes. All this custom. Currently, can I go back? Yes. I said lost. From the lost, I'm going where? To qualification. I click on save. See, system is not stopping you. You said lost. Again, you said qualification. Then I change the status from here to what? I'm saying that negotiation is going on. 90% work is done. After negotiation, next day I come and I change from negotiation to I'm still looking for the need analysis. See, I can go back. I went to 90%. From 90%, I came to 20%. Because current out of box Salesforce, I told you there is no validation rule, no governance rule, nothing. Realistically, it shouldn't happen. Once you say that you are negotiating, now how can you suddenly tell that I'm still identifying what customer wants, need analysis? Without knowing the customer need, what you're negotiating, what you're doing. So is that complete stage? Can I delete this? Sales cannot delete this. With this stage, I will form a graph. By this, I will come to know who is doing what in the system. Able to understand? Yes or no, guys, everyone?
Yes.
You
Yes.
can link your opportunity. See, it is automatic
Sir.
link to the campaign. This opportunity came from where? From this campaign. From the campaign, we got this opportunity. I go, right? I open Saifali, right? I go to the details. See, primary campaign, not there. You have to attach manually, right? You have to attach manually. How did the Saifali came to know about your, right? So system will show you what are the campaigns. You can link your, right, to a campaign like this. Click save. You can say, what is the type? It's existing customer upgrade. It's a new customer. What is the lead source? By web, by phone, by inquiry, others. You have to choose those. What is the amount? 7,80,000 is the amount. When you're thinking you'll close it, I'm thinking to close by next month 10th. What is the next step? Next step is call and discuss. Which stage are you in? I'm in need analysis stage. Who is my main competitor? Right? Main competitor HDFC Bank. I'm from ICICI. Let's say that HDFC Bank is my main competitor. Right? These all fields we'll talk later. Tracking number, current generator, these are all installation status, because this project, whatever you have currently out of box, it is for generator company. This project is for generator company. Right? So that's the reason. Description, blah, 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 blah. Click on save. An opportunity is created. You can start working with these stages. The importance of sales pipeline. Importance of sales pipeline. With the sales pipeline analysis, you can track sales, what the sale is doing, right? This is how you create opportunity. In real time, the end users will handle the opportunity like this. End users will handle the opportunity like this. Clear? Yes. Opportunity. Now there is a private.
Yes.
There's a checkbox here called private. What is this private checkbox? Whenever you set it to private, other than Rupam, nobody else can see this opportunity. Nobody else can modify this opportunity. In my company, there are 100 employees. Whatever the opportunity I created, somebody else can modify. Other than admin, nobody has the right to modify this opportunity if I set it to private. Private opportunity. Only visible to me if there are 10 users. Anyhow, at this moment, there is only one user in this system. Currently, we don't have any users. We have only one user called Rupam. Suppose assume that there are 5 users. Sachin, Rahul, Sehwag, Rupam. Nobody can come and modify this opportunity because I've set it to private. Can admin change this? Yes, admin can change it. Can admin change this? Yes, admin can change it. Clear? Right? Opportunity management. This is how, here also you can see activities. You can go ahead and log a call, you can send an email, you can create an event, right? You can see, you can add more people. Saif Ali Khan is a primary. I will add more. I will say, right? You can say that contact role. Add a new contact role. Add contact role. Who's this? Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor. Next, as what? I am selling a course to Kareena Kapoor. What is her role here? Her role is, right, influencer. Because she's the wife, right? She will influence Saif Ali Khan. See, in this deal, how many people are there? Total 3. One owner, Rupam, from the company side. From the customer side, 2. Primary is Saif Ali Khan, to whom you are selling the product. But looks like that while selling this product, you have to also talk to Kareena Kapoor to convince, because she is the influencer, wife of Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan might be convinced, but Kareena Kapoor says, sorry, no, it's too cost. The course is too costly. So number of people I'm attaching. Partner, to deliver this course, let's say that you're selling a course, you're selling a loan, whatever you say. Saif Ali wants to take a loan. Kareena might stop it if it's a loan. Saif Ali wants to join a course. Kareena might stop it. Whether I'm selling a loan, whether I'm selling a course, meaning is same, guys. Right? Whether you're a course institute, right? To sell the course, do you need a partner? Yes. Right? Who is the partner? Right? ICICI Bank. What? As broker or as a lender or as a, right? What is ICICI Bank? As a financer, right? Because Saif Ali Khan wants a loan, lender. So that I'm adding a partner, ICICI Bank as a lender, right? I might add one more called as ABC Private Limited, who is providing, who will be providing, who will be providing you some, for example, Act Internet Service Provider. It's a partner. To have an online class, you need to have an internet. Capital Info Solution has a partnership with Act, and it is also giving you a finance, right, loan from ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, I'm giving a loan, right? So hence, what we will do, right? You can add as a technology partner. On this deal, you will sell the course. Act Fibernet will take care of the internet connection so that the student can join online. Or you will sell the course. You will have a partnership with a laptop dealer. They will, hey, Saif, do you have a laptop? This course requires sophisticated laptop. I can suggest you one partner from where you can buy the laptop. You can get a discount. They are our authorized partner, and you can add it here towards the bottom called as partners. So how many people are participating? How many customers are participating? You can see end customer, contacts is also participating. Contacts, these are contacts. Accounts are also participating in one deal. Everybody has their own role in this deal. Primary is Saif Ali Khan, to whom you're selling the course. Influencer is Karina Kapoor, wife. ICICI Bank is providing the loan for Saif Ali Khan. Act Internet is providing the infrastructure at Saif Ali Khan's home. See, so many accounts and contacts are involved in a single transaction called as Bollywood opportunity. With me, able to understand? Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
Yes.
So end user will create an opportunity like this, and he will go ahead and he will say completed. Proposition stage is completed. I completed the proposal stage, completed. Right? Negotiation and review is going on. So every stage he will say convert, convert, convert. System will take the stage here. You do it on the top, you do it here, meaning is same. See, proposal and price and quote, it's here, you're here. All these are being tracked here as you are moving. On the stage history, these are being tracked. Under the stage history, these are being tracked. Under the stage history, these are being tracked. See, these are being tracked. So today we have seen Sales Cloud. We have worked on opportunity. Now you go and tell the customer, hey, Saif Ali, hi Saif, you have to pay a total amount of 7,80,000. Saif will say, what? Can you please provide me the breakdown? My wife want to see. On what basis you are saying 7,80,000? Provide me the breakdown. What will you do now? What will you do? Will you take a screenshot and we'll send? No. That's what we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will see how to go ahead and attach a product to an opportunity, how to attach a price to a product and quotation. We will see the CPQ module tomorrow, how the configure price code is working in default Salesforce. Today, we have just seen how to go ahead. It's not yet over. Opportunity is not yet over. We have just started working on opportunity management. We have understood sales pipeline, sales stages, how to add partners, how to add contact roles, right? That's what we understood today. Tomorrow, we will continue with, right? Product, price book, and quotation. In a single day, these three will cover. Be on time, because tomorrow we will run out of time. In a single day, I have to cover all the three. In a single day, I have to cover all the three. So the reason is that if I make it half, it will be lost. It has to be in a one flow because all are linked to each other. You can see that the linkage arrows. Product is linked to opportunity. Product is linked to quotation. So we have to cover all this. Guys, able to understand everyone?
Thank you so much for the very, very
Yes.
clear, detailed
Yes.
lesson.
Right? No issues. Anybody has any questions? So this is what we learned today. We started Sales Cloud. In the Sales Cloud, we have seen what is, right? What is a sales pipeline, right? What is the need of sales pipeline? What is the need of sales pipeline? Those who want to do more research can please go to your, right, Google, type sales pipeline and start reading it. Go to W3 School. What is sales pipeline? What is the sales pipeline management? You know, what are the points that we have to remember? Right? Sales pipeline. Do a little bit research on sales pipeline. Right? Sales pipeline management. That's it for today. If you have any questions, you can ask. Any questions? And then I'll give you homework. Any questions? Right? Any questions? No? All clear?
Yes.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah.
Doubt doesn't come in two scenarios. Either if you understand everything or, right, you don't understand anything. So where are we? Guys, able to understand?
Yes. Understood.
That's good. Right? So that's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow and we will continue with, right, the next piece of Salesforce called as, right, CPQ, where we will talk about quotation, product, price book. Homework now. Write down. Homework. Homework. Create 20 opportunities. 20. I'm increasing the number because I need your data to be available. When you draw a graph, whenever you draw a graph, if you don't have a data, nothing will come up. Create 20 opportunities. Either you do by conversion or in the opportunity, create a new one. Can I create an opportunity for an existing contact? Yes. Suppose Amitabh Bachchan, Amit Shah, he's an existing customer. You can say that opportunity new. I'm creating a new opportunity here. From where? From a contact I'm creating. I will say Amit Shah, AMITH, Amit SAH Shah, right? SFDC course. Amit Shah also wants to join. How much is the amount? Let's say that 25,000. Next stage, we are in prospecting stage. Close date, we are expecting to close by next month 30th. Safe. From where did I create an opportunity? From contact. I just created from a contact. Can I create it from account? Yes. I open an account called as, let's say that Minister of External Affairs. There, I scroll down. You have a new opportunity there. I click on new. From where I'm creating, I will say, this is what? External, right? EXTR, external ministry, MINISTR, ministry, OPP, SFDC training. SFDC training. Amount, right? 57 lakh. We have to go abroad and we have to train Ministry of External Affairs, one of the embassy in Australia, we have to go and we have to train. For that, value proposition stage is going on. Safe. I can create opportunity from how many places? Total 4 ways you can click and create an opportunity. From a lead as a conversion, number 1. From a contact, number 2. From an account, number 3. From an opportunity itself, number 4. There's a new button. From where this came? This came from account. From where the second one came? This came from contact. From where the third, fourth, and fifth came? From lead conversion. Do I know the source from where it's coming? No. We need a customization, right? Opportunities can be created from 4 different directions. From a conversion, from a account and lead, from account, from contact, from lead conversion, from opportunity directly. There are 4 places you can create an opportunity. I ask you to create 20 opportunities. Choice is yours. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 from conversion, 5 from contact, 5 from account, 5 from opportunity itself by clicking the new button. Clear, everyone? The homework that I gave you?
Yeah.
Everyone clear? That's good. That's it for today. We will meet tomorrow, same time. So till then, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.